Dear student, in today video we will discuss about the numericals of lime soda methods. Before going to start the numerical, first I will give you the brief idea about the lime soda method. So it is a water softening techniques which is used as an external treatment for the water. So in this process, the soluble hardness causing substances or the salt, they will convert into the insoluble precipitates by adding the amount of the lime and soda. What is lime? Lime is a calcium oxide and lime water is the calcium hydroxide, which chemical formula is CaOH twice. Soda is another substance which chemical formula is Na2CO3. We call this is washing soda or the soda is also. So mathematical formula for the lime requirement equals to 74 by 100 into temporary hardness due to the calcium ion plus 2 into temporary hardness due to the magnesium ion plus permanent hardness due to the magnesium salts plus CO2 and plus bicarbonate ion minus NaLO2 sodium aluminate multiplied by the 100 upon percentage purity into volume of water. Mathematical formula for the soda requirement equals to 106 upon 100. Permanent hardness due to the calcium plus magnesium ion, and we will subtract the bicarbonate concentration multiplied by the 100 upon percentage purity into volume of water. So we will start now the numericals. This is the first numerical in which we have to calculate the amount lime required for the softening of 5000 liters of hard water containing 60 ppm of magnesium sulfate. As we know, molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. We have to calculate the molecular weight of the magnesium sulfate. Atomic weight of the magnesium is the 24, sulfur is the 32, oxygen is the 16. So this molecular weight will goes to 120. And now we will calculate the hardness in terms of the calcium carbonate equivalent. Just 60 into 100 upon 120. So magnesium sulfate hardness is equals to the 50 milligram per liter or the ppm calcium carbonate equivalent. Now we will put this value into the lime requirement formula. It is 74 by 100 because here only the one salt is there. So just we will use that concentration of the magnesium sulfate into volume of water. So this will consider the calcium carbonate equivalent of the magnesium sulfate, which is 50, and this will give the 1,85,000 milligram, and you can convert this into the gram divided by the conversion by the this milligram to gram. So next numerical is the calculate the amount of the lime and soda required for the softening of 15,000 liter, which analyzed as follows. Temporary hardness is 20 ppm calcium carbonate equivalent and permanent hardness is 10 ppm calcium carbonate. Here just we have given the only the temporary hardness and the permanent. They did not mention it is due to the calcium ion or magnesium ion for the temporary hardness. Okay. So here lime requirement formula we will put this and 74 by 100, and here we will just only the, because it's not specifically mentioned the temporary hardness for the any ion, and for temporary and for permanent we have given like magnesium 10. Okay, so when we will put this temporary permanent hardness value, so 74 by 100, temporary is 20, permanent is 10, volume of water is 15,000. So this will give the 3,33,000 milligram. Okay. Then for the calculation of the soda requirement, 106 by 100, permanent hardness is only the 10. So we will use this and 15,000. So this will give the 1,59,000 milligram. In the next numerical, we will use the ions. Okay, so a water sample on analysis gives the following analysis. Calcium is 20 ppm is given, which is for the permanent. Magnesium for the 25 ppm for the permanent, and CO2 is also here 30, and bicarbonate 150 ppm. So we have to calculate the lime and soda requirement to soften the 1 million liter of the water sample. First we will prepare the table, in which one side we will write down the constituent or the salts. In second column we will put the amount of the salts. Third column we will write down the molecular weight of these salts, and in fourth column this will be the calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, for the calcium ion we will see the amount is 20 ppm, molecular weight is 40. So this calcium carbonate equivalent will be the 50 ppm. For the magnesium ion, amount is 25 ppm, molecular weight is 24. So this is the calcium carbonate equivalents are the 104.65 ppm. For the CO2, 30 ppm is there, and molecular weight is 44. So calcium carbonate equivalent will be 68.18 ppm. For the bicarbonate, amount is 150 ppm, molecular weight is 122. So this is 122.95 is the calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, so now we will put these value into the lime requirement and soda requirement formula. 74 by 100, magnesium is there 100.4.65, CO2 68.18, bicarbonate are 122.95 into volume of water 1 million, it means 10 की power 6. So this will give the 218.9 into 10 की power 6 milligram. Okay, soda requirement के लिए 106 by 100, and the calcium ions calcium carbonate equivalent is 50, magnesium ions calcium carbonate 104.65, and the bicarbonate will be subtract from this value, multiply by volume of water. So this will give the 33.6 into 10 की power 6 milligram. Okay, in the other numerical, here a water sample contains the following impurities: calcium chloride 222 ppm, magnesium bicarbonate 73 ppm, calcium nitrate 164 ppm. So calculate the quantity of lime, which is 74% pure, and soda requirement for softening 1000 liter of water. For this solution of this, first we will construct the table with the constituent, amount, molecular weight, and the calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, so first we will write down the constituents or the salts. Calcium chloride, which is 222 ppm, molecular weight is 111. Calcium carbonate equivalent will be the 200 ppm. Magnesium bicarbonate, this is 73 ppm amount, molecular weight is 146, and calcium carbonate equivalents are 50 ppm. In calcium nitrate, amount is 164 ppm, molecular weight is also 164. So calcium carbonate equivalent is the 100 ppm. When we put this calcium carbonate equivalent of the salt into the soda requirement and the lime requirement, so as we know, like for the magnesium ion we have to multiply by 2. Okay, so 74 by 100 into 2 into magnesium bicarbonates calcium carbonate equivalent, which are 50. Okay, and 100 upon percentage purity is there. For the lime is given 74 and volume of water is 5000. Okay, so this will give the 5 into 10 की power 5 milligram. This is the lime requirement. For the soda requirement, 106 by 100, CaCl2 plus calcium nitrate. Okay, so both are the permanent hardness causing ion, into 100 upon percentage purity into volume of water. 106 by 100, calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, calcium carbonate equivalents are 200 milligram per liter, and calcium nitrate is 100 milligram per liter calcium carbonate equivalent. Purity is 90%, so 100 upon 90 into 5000. Okay, so this will give the 17.66 into 10 to the power 5 milligram. Thank you. So in this video we have started with the basic mathematical formula for the lime and soda requirement. Then we moved on to the first numerical, which is for the which we use the only one salt in the one salt, which caused the lime requirement. Okay, for lime used for the removal of the magnesium sulfate in first. In the second, I have used the lime and soda, both the formula, second and third. In fourth numericals, we use the purity. So we have done the three types of numerical in this video. I hope you understand the concept of these numericals. Thank you.